Follow these steps to fix Bluetooth on iPhone not recognizing other devices. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is ensure proximity and power. Make sure your iPhone and the Bluetooth device are close to each other. Verify that the Bluetooth device is turned on and fully charged or connected to power. Next thing you want to do is launch your settings. Enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes. Then disable it. Likewise, click on the option Bluetooth. Now disable for the option of Bluetooth. Click on turn off. Wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next you want to do is restart iPhone and the Bluetooth device to clear any temporary glitches. Likewise, forget and repair the device. Click on the eye icon next to the problematic device, select forget this device, put the Bluetooth device back into pairing mode and attempt to reconnect. Next thing you want to do is reset network settings. For that, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings. Now go ahead and enter your password over here and then continue with the process to reset network settings. Next thing you want to do is check for software updates. For that, navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Screen Time. Now head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enable for this option. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. This way you are able to fix Bluetooth on iPhone not recognizing other devices. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.